Remember when my husband and I bought our new house back in March and we did the whole empty house tour thing and everyone was so excited to see what's next? And then it was just radio silence for the next 4 months? Yup. Well, that was actually how long it took to find an architect, draw up a brand new layout, and submit the plans to the city for approval. And guess what? It's been approved! We'll begin construction on September 20th. I can't wait to show you our house renovation progress. We've all waited long enough. But that's not to say that I won't miss this beautiful temporary apartment of ours. Right when we found ourselves in a pickle after buying that house, my gracious sister-in-law stepped in and allowed us to stay at her beautiful spare apartment. She gave me permission to decorate it and just make it super homey, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to completely transform this bedroom. The funny thing is, up until now, John and I have been sleeping on a mattress on the floor because we wanted to save some money. But then, a company called Castlery reached out to me several weeks ago and wanted me to decorate this temporary apartment with their stuff. Talk about great timing, right? I'm so incredibly thankful for this unexpected partnership, which truly came like a provision from God. Now we can actually sleep on a bed. Not only that, but Castlery also helped me decorate the entire apartment with the most beautiful, high-quality pieces, so I'll show them all to you in a bit. And if you're interested in any of the pieces, I've linked them all in my video description. Feel free to use my promo code for 10% off your entire order. You've all heard the phrase, when it rains, it pours. But I'm telling you, the opposite can also be very true. When the Lord's provisions come, it's like the floodgates of heaven opens. You just can't stop the timing of God when He makes all things come together for the good of those who love Him. Case in point, I started my channel 2 years ago, making almost the exact same video as this one. I had just moved into a small apartment by myself and my dog, and I wanted to document the journey of healing that God had given me. I didn't expect much to happen. I only did what I felt led to do. God took that small step of obedience, that mustard seed of faith, and multiplied it tenfold. Within those 2 short years, God made the impossible happen for me. I reconciled with my mother, despite an entire life's worth of conflict. I also reconnected with John, despite already making peace with possibly being single forever. I was also able to start a small shop during the pandemic that somehow survived until today. Now, these blessings might not seem like much compared to the overwhelming shock content that you see on the internet on a daily basis. But to me, all of these things are no less than miracles. I couldn't have overcome my own fears and trauma if it weren't for the Holy Spirit. Believe me when I say that God is the God of the impossible. So when you feel hopeless because life has you cornered, you don't have to panic or give up because you have a rescuer. The Word says that He's closer to you than your next breath. So you can bet that His timing is always on point. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this nostalgic bedroom makeover. Like I mentioned earlier, it wasn't just the bed frame that I got to decorate. It's also this beautiful, cozy swivel chair, which is now in my favorite reading nook. Our new dining set is also from Castlery. The craftsmanship and sturdiness are amazing. So is this Hudson sideboard, which actually matches with the bed frame. It brings so much interest to the space, which would otherwise be sitting here as dead space. And finally, you guessed it, the incredible U-shaped sectional, which is our most favorite sofa by far. Well, that's it for now. I hope this video inspired you in some way. I'll see you again soon with updates on our home renovations, so be sure to subscribe for more. Take care.